Hello, my presentation is about Malta. Malta is in the south of Europe. Population. Malta has 552,515 inhabitants. Area. It has a surface of 316 square kilometers. They speak Maltese and in English. They use the European euro. Highest mountain. The highest mountain is the Tadmikek. It is 253 meters high. It hasn't got any long river. Valletta is the capital city. Other important cities in Malta are Birkirkara, Kormi and Sliema. The climate in Malta is subtropical Mediterranean climate. A famous building in Malta is the Maltese of Malta. Thank you for listening.